What's good, guys? This is Tony from AA Global FX, and today we're going to be covering market structure shifts, fair value gaps, and displacement. I'm going to show you how to identify them on the chart, and I want you guys to go out and then practice how to actually find these. So without wasting time, let's begin. Okay, so for me, when I was starting out, I used an indicator which was found in the defaults. It's called fractals. You can enable fractals. What does fractals do? Fractals show you the highs, right? So if we take that, we pull it from there, you see that high there. You take that, we pull it from there, you see that high there. You take that, we pull it from there, see that high there. All right, so it helps you see the highs of the market. All right, so ICT calls these short-term highs, right? Short-term highs, these are basically short-term highs, short-term lows down here, but we're going to cover that on our market structure video that I'll create next week. So for now, I just want to show you guys what a market structure shift is. As you can see here, let's just move here. Our last high low was right here. Okay, so when our last high low was right here, let me just spread the chart so that you can see. It created a market structure shift right there. So price actually moved out with displacement, meaning that it was a full, you can call it an engulfing candle, you understand, but these are 4 bars. All right, and the last candle closed above this high. So what did it create here? It created a fair value gap. What's a fair value gap? A fair value gap is a 3 candle pattern. So we see that's 1, 2, and then 3. What do? We mark out our fair value gap from the tip of that candle right here all the way up to the candle on top there, and then we stretch it out in price, right? So what do we see here? We see that price returned back into the fair value gap, consolidated here, and then pushed out, right? Creating an awesome long entry. You would have entered from there and you would have risked there, and you'd be going for what? A 1:2, right? Where's our 1:2? Right here. And then you would have TP'd right there. So basically, this is how you use market structure shifts, displacements, as well as fair value gaps. Let's look at another example and then see how we can work through this. If you're looking to get funded, look no further than Gold Funded Trader. They offer a no time limit challenge so that you can show off your skills fully. They offer you up to 95% profit split, and you can obtain up to 800k worth of funding. They have first payout on demand, making it easy for you to withdraw your money after you've realized your profits. And after you complete the challenge, you obtain 100% of the refund fee. And when your profit target is met, Gold automatically closes your trades and makes you pass. So what are you waiting for? Get funded with Gold Funded Trader today. Click the link in the description below to learn more. Okay. All right, here's another example, guys. We see that we've got our short-term lows from here. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and there's 4. And what do we get here? We got market structure shift with displacement, right there, from that high to that low right there with displacement, and we got to return back into price. So first, let's identify our fair value gap. Our fair value gap is on top right here. Okay, there's our fair value gap. But what do we notice here? We notice that price didn't get to the fair value gap. Why is that? All right, I'm going to cover most of these concepts in the next video, right? But we can see that here there's an order block because we have the up close candles before the down move. All right, and then we see that price entered here. Why does that happen? What else do we see here? We see a breaker block. This is all ICT concepts that I'll definitely cover in the following videos. So what do we see here? Price entered this zone, and what happened? Price then pushed down. So if you were to enter this trade, this is how it would look like. Take a short position. You can take it on that fair value gap or on that breaker. Let's say I took it on that order block, and I would have risked that point for a 1:2 risk to reward. And there you have it. That would be a setup using market structure shifts, fair value gap, and displacement. So in the next video, we're going to be covering dealing ranges as well as breaker blocks. Stay tuned for that. This is Anthony from AA Global FX, and I will see you later.